Alright, class, today we're going to focus on IELTS Speaking Part 1. This is the initial stage of the speaking test, and it's designed to assess your ability to communicate basic information and interact with the examiner in a natural and spontaneous way. Remember, the questions in Part 1 will be based on familiar topics, such as your home, work, studies, daily routines, hobbies, and experiences. You'll be expected to provide brief, informative answers and engage in a casual conversation.
How often do you ride bicycles?
I'm an avid cyclist and saddle up at least 3 times a week.
Is it difficult to learn to ride a bicycle?
Learning to ride a bicycle can be challenging initially, but with patience and practice, it's a skill that anyone can master.
Is it popular to ride bicycles in your country?
Cycling is gaining popularity in my country, especially among younger generations, who are becoming increasingly environmentally conscious.
When was the last time you used your bicycle?
Just yesterday, I took my bike for a spin around the lake.
Do you think a bicycle is very convenient for people to use?
Absolutely, a bicycle is a highly convenient mode of transportation.
Will you teach your children to ride a bicycle?
Without a doubt, teaching my children to ride a bicycle is a top priority.
Avid cyclist. This means someone who is very enthusiastic and passionate about cycling. Saddle up. This is a phrase used to describe the action of getting ready to ride a horse, but it can also be used metaphorically to mean getting ready to start something, such as a journey or an activity. In this context, it means getting ready to go cycling. Challenging initially, difficult at the beginning. Patience and practice, perseverance and repeated effort. Gaining popularity, becoming more popular. Younger generations, people who are younger than the current generation. Environmentally conscious, concerned about protecting the environment. Spin around the lake, ride a bike around the lake. Highly convenient, very easy to use. Top priority, something that is very important.
Subscribe to my channel.